If you like this video, you can find the full version on the FlexAbilities website. Website subscribers have access to new and exclusive stretching routines along with live classes on Zoom. We are going to start off this stretching routine by laying down on the mat. Begin with seal stretches and repeat 10 times. Up next, body waves on the floor. Start off with a seal stretch, then press your chest to the ground to stretch out your upper back and shoulders. Roll up to your knees, then arch back as far as you can, circle the arms forward, then go back to a seal stretch and lay down. Repeat this exercise 5 times. Moving on to knee arches. Stand up on your knees, then reach both arms up and cross them behind the head. Make sure that your arms stay crossed behind the head the entire time. Arch back as far as you can, and for those who are more advanced, I want you to touch the ground with your hands. Now repeat this stretch 10 times. Once you have completed 10 knee arches, sit back on your heels and reach forward into child's pose to relax your back. Moving on to bridges, we are going to do several different bridge exercises today. Start off with 10 bridge rocks, then go down to your elbows into an elbow stand. Now do 10 more rocks, but this time on your elbows. The goal is to straighten your knees without walking your feet far away from the hands. This stretch is great for improving upper back flexibility. Now together, start in a bridge position and do 10 slow bridge rocks. Go down to your elbows and do 10 more rocks in the elbow stand position. Take a moment to roll out your back and relax. Up next, we are going to do an elbow stand hold. Start in a bridge position, then go down to your elbows. From here, turn the palms up, then press the palms to your forehead and push back. Hold this position with me for 10 seconds. Now together, press up into bridge and get into the elbow stand position. Time will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up next, in and out steps. Walk the feet 2 steps in as close to your hands as possible, then walk 2 steps away. Repeat this exercise 10 times. Now together. Only one more bridge exercise to go. This time we are going to do bridge extensions, where you lift up to your fingertips, then go back down to a regular bridge. If you can, try to hold on to your ankles when you lift up. Now repeat this stretch 10 times. You only have one more exercise to go, and this last stretch is going to use a stretch strap. First, you are going to tie the stretch strap around one foot like this. I only do one loop, as you can see here. Then you are going to turn the loop around so that the knot is underneath your foot like this. From here, you are going to lay down on your stomach, then grab the strap with the opposite hand. Then pull the leg up and over your head. From here, roll to your chest and bring the leg into a ring position. Now straighten the leg as much as you can and bend your knee. You are going to do 5, then take a short break, and then get back in and do 5 more. That's a total of 10 times each side. You want to make sure that you are doing this stretch very slow and controlled. Once you have completed 5, take a short break, then get ready to do 5 more. That's all for one side. Now take off the band and tie it around the other foot. Once you have completed 5, take a short break, then get ready to do 5 more. Great job! That is all for today's advanced back flexibility routine. Keep doing these stretches until you feel comfortable with each and every exercise. These are great stretches to incorporate into your daily flexibility routine. That is all for today's mini flexibility routine. If you enjoyed this video and would like to complete the full version, go to flex-abilities.com and subscribe.